Hey guys, I just want to share with you what happened with me. I was with my student. It happened at the same day, and this happened now more often on the traffic lights. So just watch and see how can we learn from these mistakes. As you can see on the traffic light changed to red and the car just passed by without stopping. As you can see in the video, pedestrians just crossing by in the same traffic light that the car just went through the red light. As you can see in this video, we just approached the red light. The car on the left was passing by without stopping. This, guys, happen more often now on the traffic lights. And that's why I always say to my students, make sure before you're approaching the traffic light, check left and right, no matter if there is a green light. I hope this video showing you that now it's become more dangerous to drive and be prepared in case this has happened. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.